Hello everybody. So today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. Now I will put sin s squared go to the right, and we have 1 minus sin s squared. So we need to change this one into this one. Now cosine s squared multiplied by number 1 and tan s squared. So we know that tan s squared, that is about sin s squared over cosine s squared. Now we need to simplify cosine s squared, and this one equals to number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.